press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello dear students, we have been discussing about the chapter motion and measurement of the distance. So in the previous class we will learn about the different types of examples of the proper and how the precautionary steps will be followed for the correct measurement, and for accurate result we have to measure in a proper way by keeping the points in our mind, and also the precautionary steps we have to follow. And there are varieties of precautionary steps we have to follow, and if the scale is broken, then we have to measure by subtracting the one end from the other end, we can get the accurate result. And also we have to measure along the length of the scale, we have to measure. And the last one is eye contact is very important, and where we have to observe in a opposite, in the front side of the by putting the scale in a front position or the front part, we have to stand and observe in a correct way, then only we can get the proper result and the accurate measurement. See, this is how we can say that by knowing the precautionary steps we can easily measure the particular object in a proper way. And like that, movement will be takes place in our surrounding, and some of the objects which will be stationary at one place, for example is the sun will be stationary at a particular place. And like that, there are different types of vehicles which is running from one place to another place to reach a particular place. And like that, rotation of the earth around the sun which makes the 1 year, and this is one of the example of the motion. And what is the meaning of motion then? See, the motion is nothing but when a body, motion is nothing but when a body or any object when a body or any object changing its position see, when a body or any object changing its position with respect to time. See, with respect to time is called as motion. See, what is the meaning of motion then? When a body or any object changing its position. If an object or any body changing its position means, we can say that the motion or the movement will be occurring particular object or the body. With respect to time is nothing but the motion. Example is the rotation of the earth around the sun. See, the rotation of earth around the sun, and the moving of the vehicle from one place to another place is one of the example of the motion. Running of a vehicle, and also hands in a clock. Hands in a clock is one of the example of a motion. See, this is all about the example of the motion. See, rotation of the earth around the sun makes the 1 year. Like that, it is one of the motion. And running of the vehicle, either it may be car or any scooter, any vehicle which is run from one place to another place, we can say that movement will be occur and there be followed with the motion. And the hands in a clock, after each interval of the time, it will rotate its hand, and like that time will be changing, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, like that different times will be changing. After each interval of the time, the hands of the clock will be changing simultaneously. Say like that, consider this is the clock and here is the hands will be there. 12, 3, 6 and 9, and this is the hour hand, and this is the minute hand, and this one is the second hand. Like that, after each interval of the time, the hands will be moved from their position, and thereby we can say that the motion or the movement will be takes place in such object. See, we can say that when a body or any object is changing its position with respect to the time, we call it as a motion, and thereby there are different types of motions will be present. One by one, I will write on the board. Let us will learn about these type of motion. There are different types of motions will be present, in which first one is the rectilinear motion. A rectilinear motion. If a body is said to be possessed, see, a body is possessed a rectilinear motion, if it moves in a straight path. If it moves in the straight path or the straight way. See, there are different types of motions will be there, in which first one is the rectilinear motion. See, rectilinear motion is said to be a body is possessed a rectilinear motion. That is, if a body is said to be a rectilinear motion only when it moves in a straight path. If a particular object or any vehicle will move, or any object or any body will be moving in a straight way, then we call it as a rectilinear motion. Example for the rectilinear motion is the motion of the bullet when it is fired. Example is motion of the bullet when it is fired. See, when the bullet will be fired, then it will move in a straight way. In a particular way it will move, or in a straight way it will move, then this type of motion we call it as a rectilinear motion. See, as I told you, at given interval of the time, the movement of the object will be takes place, then only we call it as a motion. And here the motion of the bullet, if we press the gun, then the bullet will be fired, and later it will start in a straight path, and like that we call it as a such type of motion is called as a rectilinear motion. Next example is the march past of the soldier. March past of soldier is one of the example of the rectilinear motion. Next we shall move on to the circular motion. So this is all about the rectilinear motion. Once again I will tell you, a body is possessed by a rectilinear motion only it moves in a straight path, then only we can call it as a rectilinear motion. Example of the rectilinear motion is the motion of the bullet when it is fired, and next one is the march past of the soldier is one of the example of the rectilinear motion. Next we shall move on to the circular motion. A body is possessed by a circular motion only when it moves around a fixed point. It moves around a fixed point. It moves around a fixed point, making equal distance from that point. Making equal distance from that point. Is called as circular motion. Example for the circular motion is the rotation of the moon around the earth. Rotation of the moon around the earth is one of the example of the circular motion. And next one is the bull move around a fixed pole. Bull move around a fixed pole. And next example is the motion of the ceiling fan. Motion of ceiling fan. These are all few examples of the circular motion. See, circular motion is nothing but a body is possessed a circular motion. See, a body is said to be a circular motion only when it moves around a fixed point. It moves around a fixed point, making its equal distance from that point is called as circular motion. Example is the rotation of the moon around the earth. Consider this is our earth. I will write the symbol here E, and here the moon will be circularly it will motion of the moon is the circular way, and it will move in a fixed point, keeping the earth here, and it will move in a circular way, and such type of motion is called as circular movement. Circular motion, a body is said to be circular motion, it moves around a fixed point. See, earth is a fixed point where the moon will be moving in a circular way, and this is one of the example of the circular motion. And next one is the bull moves around a fixed pole. See, for example, if consider the bull will be there, and here they will tag with the help of a rope, and later one fixed pole will be there where the buckets or any types of mucks will be present, and thereby by rotating the bull in a fixed point, it will move like that. It is one of the example of a circular motion. And next one is the motion of the ceiling fan. See, consider a fan will be there, and here the blades of the fan will be there. After putting on to the fan, the blades will be rotated at a fixed point, and this is one of the example of a circular motion. Next we shall move on to the rotational motion. See, rotational motion, a body is possessed a rotational motion only when rotational motion only when it moves around itself. Is called as rotational motion. Say example for the rotational motion is the motion of the earth, motion of the earth about its axis. Is called as rotational motion. See, motion of rotational motion is nothing but a body is possessed a rotational motion only it moves around itself, we call it as a rotational motion. Example for the rotational motion is the motion of the earth about its axis is called as a rotational motion. Next we shall move on to the periodic motion. See, periodic motion, the motion is repeats itself after each regular interval of the time is called as periodic motion. Periodic motion. Periodic motion, the motion which repeats. Periodic motion is nothing but the motion or the movement which repeats after each interval of the time, which repeats itself after a regular the motion which repeats itself after a regular interval of the time, regular interval of the time is said to be the periodic motion. Example for the motion of the minute hand of our wristwatch. Example, motion of the minute hand in our wristwatch is one of the example of a periodic motion. And one more example is there. Next, branches of the tree moving to and fro movement. Branches of the tree moving to and fro movement. See, to and fro is nothing but forward as well as the backward movement. When the when the wind is blown to the tree or any plants, then the branches of the tree will moving to as well as the fro movement. Nothing but forward as well as the backward movement will be takes place. And such a type of movement we call it as a periodic motion. See, periodic motion is nothing but the motion which repeats itself after regular interval of the time is called as periodic motion. And hands of the clock is one of the example where at a particular interval of the time the hands will be moved. And also the simple pendulum which moves in a regular interval of the time, it will move forward to as well as the fro movement will be takes place. To and fro is nothing but the forward as well as the backward movement. And the motion of the minute hand in our wristwatch is one of the example of the periodic motion. After each regular interval of the time, the hands in the clock will be moves, and the branches of the tree moving to and fro movement. And this is all about the different types of motion, where we learnt about the different types of motion. And see, if the ball is thrown like that, it will rolling on the ground, rotating as well as the moving forward. And then we consider that type of movement is it undergo the rectilinear motion as well as the rotation motion. Say, if a ball is thrown and it will rolling to the ground. And it will rolling to the ground, and thereby we said to be having rectilinear motion as well as the rotational motion. Rectilinear and rotational motion. See, for example, if we throw the ball and this ball will rolling to the ground, and thereby we said to be that it will forward and opposite to the ball, it will move forward, and thereby it undergo the rectilinear motion, where repeatedly it will, after each interval, it will slowly it will rotate or move. And also it we can say that rotational motion. See, rotational motion means nothing but it will rotate itself, and thereby we said to that the ball which is rolling to the ground, which shows the two types of movements or the two types of motion here, rectilinear motion as well as the rotational motion. So this is all about the motion and different types of motion. See, motion is nothing but when a body or an object changing its position at each interval of the time, we call it as a motion. And there are different types of motions will be there. First one is the rectilinear motion, and next one is the circular motion, and next one is the rotational motion, and the last one is the periodic motion. From this there are four types of motions will be there. And see, rectilinear motion example is the march past of the soldier. See, in a straight way they will move, or if any body is moving, then we said to be a rectilinear. If the bullet is move in a straight way after fired the bullet, then we call it as a rectilinear motion. And next one is the circular motion. Along its axis the movement will be takes place, is called as circular motion. And next one is the rotational motion. See, rotational motion, the body is said to be a rotational motion when it moves in a, on its own, is called as rotational motion. And the last one is the periodic motion. The motion is said to be periodic when the body, after each interval of the time, it will repeatedly it will move after each interval of the time, is called as periodic motion. Example is the movement in the hands of a clock is one of the example of a periodic motion. And from this we can say that a body is occurring the motion having the 2 or 3 movements, or the motion will be occurring. For example, if we throw the ball is rolling to the ground, and thereby we can see the rectilinear motion as well as the rotational motion in such a type of ball. It will move in a forward direction, thereby we can say that in a rectilinear, that is in a straight path it will move, and thereby rotational motion it will occur. And this is all about the motion and different types of motion. So here I wind up the class. In tomorrow's class we will learn some different lesson which is involved in your textbook. So this is all about the today's class. Okay, thank you.